High above the earth, far beyond the reach of mountains, oceans, and clouds, satellites quietly orbit our planet. They move through space in perfect balance, guided by gravity and motion. Although we rarely notice them, satellites are always working for us. They help us communicate, travel, predict weather, and understand our world. A satellite is any object that moves around a planet or another body in space. Some satellites are natural, such as the Moon, which orbits the Earth. Other satellites are artificial, meaning they're built by humans. These artificial satellites are launched into space using powerful rockets. Once a satellite reaches space, it is placed into a specific path called an orbit. An orbit allows the satellite to circle the Earth without falling down or drifting away. This balance happens because gravity pulls the satellite inward while its speed pushes it forward. As a result, the satellite continues moving around the Earth again and again. Satellites come in many shapes and sizes, depending on their purpose. Some satellites are as small as a suitcase. Other satellites are as large as a bus. Each satellite is carefully designed to perform a specific task. One of the most important types of satellites is the communication satellite. Communication satellites help send phone calls, television signals, and internet data across the world. When you make a phone call to another country, a satellite may help carry that signal. When you watch live television from another part of the world, satellites make it possible. Weather satellites are another vital type of satellite. These satellites constantly watch the Earth's atmosphere. They track clouds, storms, and changes in temperature. Weather satellites help scientists predict rain, snow, heat waves, and hurricanes. Early warnings from weather satellites save lives and protect property. Navigation satellites help people know where they are on Earth. These satellites are used in GPS systems. They guide cars on roads and ships across oceans. They help airplanes fly safely from one location to another. Even smartphones rely on navigation satellites every day. Scientific satellites are used to study Earth and space. Some scientific satellites observe the sun and its energy. Others study distant stars, planets, and galaxies. Some satellites focus on Earth's environment and climate changes. They help scientists understand pollution, melting ice, and rising sea levels. Every satellite has several important parts. Solar panels are used to collect energy from the sun. This energy powers the satellite systems and equipment. Antennas allow the satellite to send and receive signals. Computers inside the satellite control its movements and operations. Many satellites carry cameras and sensors. These tools capture images and data from space. The information is sent back to Earth using radio signals. Ground stations receive this data and analyze it carefully. Satellites do not last forever. Over time, their equipment wears out or runs out of fuel. Some satellites are safely guided back into Earth's atmosphere. Others remain in space as inactive objects. Managing space debris is an important challenge for scientists today. Satellites also play a major role in emergencies. They help rescue teams locate people in danger. They provide communication when natural disasters damage ground networks. In times of crisis,